But anyways, at that time, I didn't even know that she was gone. I spent the afternoon brooding and listening to some Alanis. And that made me feel a lot better, just in time for the big event of that evening, you guys. It was the Ski Week social dance. And I had been working for a long time on a routine that was sure to make me a star, you guys. I wanted so badly to make an impression on all of the horny adolescent boys. Because when they're talking about you, that is a successful ski week. Yes. Sometimes you just have to dance away your problems. And that's what I was gonna do. I went to the grand ballroom in the lodge, and I could hear strains of Nicki Minaj, and I prepared to make my entrance. And I stepped inside, you guys, into another world, a world of perfect geometry, of bodies in relation to other bodies. And I looked around for Jessica, because I really wanted to tell her about her split ends. But she wasn't there. And then, as if a light, a spotlight, a limelight had turned on, right above him, there was Todd. T-O-D, Todd. Looking really sexy in a Volcom snowboarding t-shirt. And suddenly I knew that the routine I had planned wasn't for all of the boys. It was for him. Because when I beckoned, Todd came. He approached like a wave, unstoppable, kinetic. He came to sweep me away. And he did, you guys. And we had the most beautiful dance. Like, I can't even explain to you. It was like religious. It was so spiritual. Like, he was all up on me. And I was all up on him. And then he was